And with that, we go on to the next part. And in the next part, we need to understand the expansion of a plus b the whole square. We saw it's a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, but if you observe carefully, guys, a square and b square have coefficients 1 and 1 respectively, right? So I can write 1a square plus 2 into a into b plus 1b square, right? Which is 1a square plus 2a raised to 1 b raised to 1 plus 1b square, isn't it? Okay. Next, we observe that the value 1 here can be replaced by 2c0. The value 2 here can be replaced by 2c1, and the value 1 here can be replaced by 2c2, isn't it? So basically what I've done is I have replaced all the respective coefficients by binomial coefficients, right? Something similar you can observe for a plus b the whole cube also, guys. Okay, it is a cube. Okay, the coefficient here is 1. A cube plus 3a square b. So this is 3 plus 3ab square. A cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square आएगा next term, right? यहाँ भी coefficient क्या है? 3 है plus b cube, right? The coefficient here is 1. Okay, so replace 1 with 3c0. Okay, then 3c1 with 3 with 3c1, 3 with 3c2, and 1 with 3c3, right? So I've replaced all the coefficients here with the binomial coefficients, right? So likewise, guys, if you have any expression of the form a plus b the whole raised to n, you can simply observe that the expression is nothing but an expansion of nc0 a raised to n into b raised to 0 plus nc1 a raised to n minus 1 into b raised to 1, nc2 a raised to n minus 2 into b square up to ncn a raised to 0 into b raised to n. आप यहाँ भी ऑब्जर्व कर सकते हैं a square a की पावर घट रही है, okay, and b की पावर धीरे धीरे बढ़ रही है, right? Starting from a b raised to 0, you come to b raised to 1, then you come to b square, right? All these places the power of b is simply increasing, right? Okay, same way what you can say is for any expression of the form, okay, a plus b the whole raised to n, the rth term is given by ncr a raised to n minus r into b raised to r. Okay, so guys, r here will go from 0 to n. Okay, r हमेशा कहां से कहां तक जाएगा? 0 से लेकर n तक जाएगा. So rth term of the sequence is given by ncr into a raised to n minus r into b raised to r. Okay, and the summation, okay, a plus b the whole raised to n is nothing but the summation of all these terms where r goes from 0 से लेके n तक. Right, guys, you can verify this by taking value of n as 2, right? So वही हो जाएगा 2c0, then 2c1, 2c2, right? 2c0 into a square, then 2c1 into a raised to 1 b raised to 1, 2c2 into b square, right? This is what we'll get. Something similar you will have for a minus b the whole raised to n also, guys. Only difference is यहाँ पे एक term खाली extra आ जाएगा, -1 raised to the power n. तो जहां जहां r की value basically odd होगी, you'll have a negative sign, just like a square minus 2ab plus b square in the expansion of a minus b the whole square, right, guys? And the expansion of a minus b the whole cube, a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Every time we have odd value of r, okay, the expression, the term will become negative. Okay, so यहाँ से हम आगे बढ़ते हैं, guys, and after this, okay, what we have discussed here right now, it is called as the binomial expansion. So a plus b the whole raised to n and a minus b the whole raised to n. Okay, these are nothing but binomial expansions. Okay, the general rule is given here. Okay, for both of these expansions, right? So there are certain salient features, there are certain observations that we'll make here. Okay, the first observation we are going to make is the expansion has n plus 1 term. So आप इसका example ले लो, a plus b the whole square का. There are 3 terms, right? Okay, this one, and this one. A square plus 2ab plus b square, 3 terms. And a plus b the whole cube also has 4 terms, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So any expansion a plus or minus b the whole raised to n will always have n plus 1 terms. First observation, okay? When we go next, we observe that middle term for the value of r is equal to n minus 2 when n is even, and r is equal to n plus 1 divided by 2, and r is equal to n minus 1 divided by 2 when n is odd. Okay, so very clearly you can observe here, okay, for a plus b the whole square, okay, the middle term is when r is equal to 1, right? 1 kahan se aaya? Hame 2/2 karke aaya, right? 1 ka value, right? And for a plus b the whole cube, you can observe there are 2 middle terms, guys. Okay, this happens when r is equal to 1, or you can say r is equal to 2. Okay, there will be 2 middle terms, right? R equals to 1 and r equals to 2. Okay, both of them, right? So whenever we have a plus b the whole raised to n, n का value अगर even है, एक ही middle term रहेगा, that will occur when r is equal to n by 2. And अगर n odd रहा तो 2 middle terms होंगे, r equals to n plus 1 divided by 2 and r equals to n minus 1 divided by 2. Okay, and the last observation is coefficient of the term a raised to r b raised to n minus r is equal to that of the term a raised to n minus r into b raised to r. मतलब for an example अगर मैं बताऊं यहाँ पे, if you take a square plus 2ab plus b square, okay, coefficient of a square and b square are both same, right? 2c0 is same as 2c2, दोनों का value 1 ही होता है, right? Similarly 3c0 and 3c3 का value 1 है, like first and last term. Okay, similarly 3c1 and 3c2 इनका value भी same है, right? 3 and 3 both, right? So you can observe that whatever is the value of the first coefficient of the first term, the same will be the coefficient of the last term. Okay, coefficient of second term is same as second last term, third is same as third last term, so on and so forth. All right, guys, so let's solve this question. Find the coefficient of x raised to 5 in the expansion of x plus 2 the whole to the power 10. Okay, so as you can observe, guys, it's a binomial. X raised to 1 है और यहाँ पे x की power है नहीं, right? So it's a binomial having two different terms जिनकी power of variables is different, right? So you can always apply the binomial theorem here. Okay, now you want to find out the coefficient of x raised to 5 in this expansion, right? We have already seen, guys, for the expansion of a plus b the whole to the power n, we have a ready-made formula, right? It is summation of all the terms of the form ncr a raised to n minus r into b raised to r. Okay, r is going from 0 to n. Okay, now guys, again we have binomial here. यहाँ पे a का value क्या है? X है. Okay, b का value क्या है? 2 है यहाँ पे, right? And n का value is nothing but 10. Okay, so here it will be nothing but summation, okay, of all terms going from 10 cr. Okay, r is going from 0 से लेके 10 तक into a raised to 10 minus r. Okay, और a के जगह पे I can simply write x. Okay, and b के जगह पे I can write r, right? अब now guys the question demands coefficient of x raised to 5, right? तो x की जो power है 10 minus r, okay, this power should be equal to 5. Guys, this happens when r is equal to 5. Okay, this you can write and do, if you are comfortable, else you can do mentally also by understanding it is of the first term is of the form a raised to n minus r, और a raised to 10 minus r हो जाएगा. ये कब होगा? जब r is equal to 5, right? Okay, so we know that as I told you just now that the n term of a plus b the whole raised to n is ncr, a raised to n minus r into b raised to r. इन सबका summation लेते हैं हम लोग, right? So here we found out the value of r is 5. Simply substitute. Okay, so you'll get x raised to 5 का term as 10c5 x raised to 10 minus 5 into 2 raised to 5. Okay, अब हम क्या करेंगे? इसको simplify करेंगे as 10c5 into x raised to 5 into 2 raised to 5. Okay guys, 2 raised to 5 बहुत simple है, ये 32 के बराबर होगा. Okay, we'll come to it later. Okay, हम पहले क्या करेंगे? 10c5 की value find करेंगे. Okay. Okay, so let's start by finding out the value of 10c5. 10c5 is 10 factorial divided by 5 factorial into 10 minus 5, 5 factorial, right? So यहाँ से you can cancel out a few terms. You can cancel out 5 and 2, right? Or you can cancel out 3 and 2 as 6. You can cancel out 4 2s are 8. You can cancel out 5 2s are as 10. Okay, on multiplying we'll get to 52, right? So 10c5 का value कितना है? 252, and 2 raised to 5, as I told you थोड़ी देर पहले, is nothing but 32, right? So to multiply these two values and you'll get the answer for the coefficient of x raised to 5. The answer will be 8064. Okay, that is the coefficient of x raised to 5 in the expansion of the given term. Let's go on to the next question, guys. On the same ground, we'll solve the next question. Find the middle term or terms in the expansion of x minus 3 the whole raised to the power 8. Okay, again the value of n here is even. We have seen that whenever n is even, the middle term will be when r is equal to n by 2, right? So यहाँ पे r क्या होना चाहिए? 8 by 2 4 होना चाहिए. So in this expansion, okay, we use basically 10c4, okay, 10cr into x raised to 10 minus 4, okay, a raised to n minus r into 3 raised to 4, which is b raised to r in this case, okay, into minus 1 raised to 4. minus 1 raised to 4 तो 1 ही हो जाएगा. Okay, solving. Okay, पहले 10c4 निकाल लेते हैं. 10c4 is 10 factorial upon 6 into 4 factorial, right? So you can cancel out 4 2s are 8 and 3 3s are 9, 3 7s are 21, 10s are 2. As simple as that. Okay, so this value of 10c4, guys, you substitute in the given expression, and that gives you the value of the middle term as 210 into x power 6 into 81. Okay, simplifying you'll get 17010. Okay, this is the coefficient, okay, of x raised to 6, and the middle term will be the combination of these two. So 17010 into x power 6 is the middle term. Okay,